Zimbabwe's political landscape is once again ablaze, with accusations as Zanu PF, the ruling party, has pointed fingers at opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, alleging plans to disrupt the upcoming Southern African Development Community SADC Summit in Harare. As perimushe, Chamisa otsomewa. Chamisa onzi aiwa ada kudisrupta SADC Summit. Sadapinda mashoko abuda sonyugwa kwaiti onoti subscribe like na on the bell icon. Nomwe kwa mchinzi, the accusations were made via the Zanu PF cooperated Operation Restore Legacy page on Monday, stirring controversy ahead of the regional event. According to the statement released by Operation Restore Legacy, Zanu PF stalwarts claimed Job Sikala, Joseph Kalimbwe from Zambia, Nelson Chamisa, Takudzo Ngariwore, and civil societies are planning to disrupt the incoming SADC Summit in Harare. The allegations have raised eyebrows among political observers as they come amidst preparations for the 44th Ordinary Summit of Heads of States and Government scheduled for August 17, 2024. In response to these allegations, Nelson Chamisa's camp has vehemently denied any involvement in plots to disrupt the summit. Don't mashoka tukuna panamba kunzi aiwa Nelson Chamisa onze wa accuse wa otsomo wachinzi ada ku disruptor aiwa the SADC Summit. Asona Nelson Chamisa ano respond achiti aiwa he is not involved muma match aruda kuitiwa muma protest aruda kuitiwa. Don't masho warubuda mzora nasi mzimu aiwa tudze mafundo enyu pine comment section medu. Sana subscribe like chontina on the bell icon.